Hi folks, it's just a early evening in the greenhouse with a grow. It looks lighter in here, but it's actually a lot darker than it looks. Just a quick update really on this new feed that I've been giving. First impressions is pretty good. It's a lot lighter than Nijikawa that I normally use. I feel it's lighter. The pellets are bigger, 1 mil bigger, but the fish, I've got to say, so far after a couple of days, I thought I was going to see waste floating on the surface, but nothing, no oil, nothing like that, no waste, no, I've not seen any added waste at the bottom as such. But the koi was straight into it. I've stood here and you can hear my voice, I think. A bit quiet. They've been absolutely smashing it to bits. I've stood here in the last 5 minutes and I've put, this is probably my 4th handful. When I first started putting it in, the first handful, there was a couple of them. That goshiki there on the right, look, was actually, you know, like pink garamos, how they sort of start kissing or showing aggression, I so called. And that's what they were doing, almost like trying to nick it out of each other's mouth. Look at them go for it. So far, $17.95 for 10 kilos. I'm pretty impressed, and they are. So I've not seen any negatives so far. So at the moment, after 2-3 days of it, I will clearly, so far, nothing bad to report at all. They say that the food, if you squeeze it, if it crumbles or crushes, it's not that great. I mean, this is, I'm trying my hardest there, now I can't, right, I'm going to try my hardest now. No, I can't, look at my finger. So, solid in texture. I would say, once it's been in water for a couple of minutes, it probably swells a mil or so. Softens up quite easy, disappears quite quick, so they're loving it. That there, that Masuba, coming on awesome, that koi is, it really is. The Chiba, Koda Goshiki, Ginring. That's a Ginring. Tancho Goshiki, I think. I can't remember. Yeah, I forgot. Got some crackers in here. That Tancho Showa, that one. That was a punt that I took on a $12.99 fish at a garden centre, Yamazaki. Those are Japanese. And yeah, I just thought I'd share that with the food. See, they've cleared that already. We should be getting a bit bored now, I'd imagine, so we'll try again. I won't imagine they show much interest now, but they are. Look at that. Oh, really keen. Look at him go. Look at the patterning on that. Come on, get closer. Look at that. looking forward to seeing how that develops to a bigger fish. Beautiful. And I'm not going to have a look again, but the new kahaku in there, the Oshikin kahaku, is settled in well. I'm thinking of moving it out of there sooner rather than later, because I keep hearing it banging on the side when I'm walking past and that, getting a bit skitty. It's not very wide, they're only 1.5 foot wide, them. Oh, I don't know. I just don't want it to get damaged, that's all. Look at that beauty. So beautiful. Thanks for watching. Good evening.